This is going to be the last video you will ever need for connecting your retail AI with Twilio. See, as a builder myself, I have watched a lot of video on YouTube on how to connect your retail AI with Twilio. Most of them incomplete, most of them does not work. Why? Because all steps are correct. I'm not saying they are wrong, all steps are correct, but they are all missing a very important single step which comes after what they all do. So if you are also struggling with this, let me show you how you can connect your retail AI with Twilio under 5 minutes. So let's get onto our PC. Okay, so let's go onto our computer and understand how you can do that. Okay, so for that you obviously need Twilio and your retail AI account. I'm in my account, so just log in into Twilio. I will leave both links in the description, so go into them, just sign it up, and when you will be on your console here and here. This is our agency accounts, and this is also in another account. So what you have to do here is, first in retail AI you have to go on to phone numbers, click on plus and connect it to your number via SIP. You will have this information. First you need a phone number, so let's go on to each of them one by one. So you have to first go on to your Twilio, then you have to go on to phone numbers, manage by a number. Because if you have already an active number, that is very good, but go on to here if you don't have one and just buy any of the number. Okay, let's say I buy this. Okay, so first you have to copy this, you buy this. Okay, so after you buy this, okay, so because this is a temporary account, our agency is temporary account, so this is an error, but don't worry. Just when you buy this, okay, what you have to do next is just save this phone number somewhere. So let's open a notepad. Okay, here, close all this, save it without the spaces, do this. Then you have to come down in Elastic SIP trunking. If you are not able to find that, you can just search it, SIP trunk. Here you will have them, Elastic SIP trunk. Go here. Once you go here, you are going to be seeing this interface. Create a new SIP, just name it. When you will, you are going to be on this page. Okay, so let's create a new one from scratch. Let's do that. Just let's say YouTube tutorial. Create. Okay, and you will. This is the thing you are going to see. First you have to scroll down and you have to enable this call transfer SIP and then enable PSTN transfer. Click on save. Go on down to transmission or termination. Just give it a name like YT tutorial. Go down, create a credential and keep everything same like YT tutorial. Make sure it has a number and an uppercase, and just copy paste it here and save. Just make sure you copy it and save it here also, here. Okay, just create one, click on create, it will be created. Click on save. Organization. Okay, now this step is missing in there, what I was talking about. So you have to go on to organization, click on plus here. Okay, then you have to put in the organization SIP URL. You have to go here on your search bar, type retail AI custom telephony. You have to write this and you have to go on to here, retail AI docs custom telephony overview. Then you have to go down and you are seeing this URL. You have to copy it. All this and go on to back here on your here and just paste it and add it. Okay, it is added. Go on numbers. This is also the step they miss, and add a number here. Add an existing number. If you want to buy from here, you can buy from here. Add an existing number and click on whatever number you have bought. Just click on it and add selected. Once it is done, now go back on general and click again on save. Once you do, you have to go back on Retail AI. You have to paste your number here, paste it, and along with the credentials you have chosen. Okay, and hit save. When you will, your number is going to be connected. Okay, once it is connected, then you have to assign it normally. You can do it, it's up to you. I know you can do it. So this is how you can connect your Retail AI with n8n. No, Retail AI with Twilio under 5 minutes. So I hope you like it. If you want more tutorials like these on whatever issue you are facing, just comment down below and I will make a video on it. I will see you in the next one. Until then, remember, it's just getting started.